Hi dear all, today I bring one topics related to AWS. So here how to work familiar with AI ML technology on AWS. So previously without infrastructure how to be work by using the Python and how to make a model and how to apply algorithms so make a application. So now if you want to work on AWS, so how to you will work. So here we bring the basic concept about the AWS. So here the familiar with the AI ML technology on AWS means if you have understanding about the core AI concept, machine learning, and you have knowledge about the generative AI services, generative AI, all these services available on AWS clouds. So these are the basic things. So let's we understand one by one. So here we have the key AWS AIML services. So first service have Amazon SageMaker. So what it will do that? Build the trend and deploy ML model in Amazon SageMaker services. Common use fraud detections and recommendation systems. So that kind of things we can utilize. Amazon Bedrock. This is used to build generative AI application using the fundamental model. So this is used for AI chatbot, content generation. Content generation means if you want to generate PDF, Word file, or you want to develop the right application. So if these kind of things you want to do that, so use to Amazon Bedrock. Amazon recognition is used for the image and video analysis. So this will need to use as a face detections, object recognition, and Amazon comprehend. This is used for natural language processing. NLP means it is used the sentiment analysis and entity extractions. All these things you want to get, you can go in my channels. The basic about the generative AI, ML, AI, all these things we have explained in the video. So here, but today I am just explaining about Amazon related what services work basically for the what aspect. So that things we explaining you. So Amazon text track, it is used for extract the text from document. If you have document, so want to extract some data, text message, text data, so that will use to Amazon text track services. Invoice means if you want to generate invoice, OCR processing, so this kind of activity you want to do that, so use to Amazon text track services. Amazon transcribe, it is used for the speech to text. If you want to something you want to put in speech and it will convert into the text. This is used for the meeting transcriptions. And Amazon Poly, it is used to text to speech. If you have put the message in text, you want to convert in speech. So then in that cases, as it is a voice assistant, so you can use to Amazon Poly services. Amazon Translate, it is language translation, multi-language application. So suppose you have English to convert into Chinese, Japanese, Hindi, French, German, lot of language we have, so in that scenario we can utilize that. And Amazon Lex services used for the conventional chatbot, customer support bot. If you want to develop the customer support bot, so can use to Amazon Lex. Amazon Kendra, this is intelligent enterprises search, knowledge based search. So all these things you can do that by using to these services. So now how to work we want to explain about the machine learning workflow on AWS. So first thing, we collect the data, and that data we will deploy Amazon S3, that is a space. Here you process the data. If you want to process the data processing, AWS Glue or SageMaker processing, here you want to process by using to these services. So here, based on this, you can train the model and deploy in Amazon SageMaker, and then will evaluate model and deployment used to these services. So here will generate SageMaker endpoint. So based on this endpoint, your application is ready, and this will deploy as a based on the API gateway plus Lambda or EC2 ECS. This is environment. Here your application will deploy, will generate the endpoint. So this endpoint, based on this our API gateway, we want to maintain a load balancing. So this is flow in AWS, how to work. And generative AI on AWS. So now AWS now provide the powerful generative capability through the Amazon Bedrock. So what popular fundamental module include in Anthropic Clouds, Meta, Llama, and Mistral AI, Amazon Noah, Stability AI, AI 21 Labs, Cohere, and these typical application, what kind of typical application will use AI chatbot, document summarization, code generation. You want to generate the code in Java, Python, whatever. So that kind of things you can use, generate, and questioning and answering by using to Amazon Bedrock services. And content creation and RAG-based retrieval argument generation. So most probably AI developer used to RAG-based. So RAG-based we have explained in previous video. You can go inside and check this. So what is the typical architecture? This architecture, suppose any user have the web application or mobile application, they want to connect with the gateway API, and gateway API will call to Lambda, AWS Lambda services, Lambda and Amazon Bedrock we have maintaining the Cloud A, Llama, Noah, and Mistral. All these models are available. Based on this model, we can knowledge base, we can use to Amazon S3 open search vector store. Knowledge base means if you are using to RAG, so based on RAG you can maintain to vector store, open search vector store, and use to S3 plus. This is a combination of knowledge base. And what is the feature of SagaMaker features? It is a data preparation and Jupyter notebook. This will generate Jupyter notebook built on algorithms and AutoML, autopilot, and hyperparameter training, and distributed training, and model registry, and real-time interface. So all these things will do that. And if you want to batch interface, so used to machine learning, operation pipeline, MLOps pipeline. So all these parts are having with SagaMakers. So SagaMakers, if you want to use, so AI services by category, any AI services have the categories. Means if you want to use to computer vision, means face detection, image evaluation, and text. So Amazon recognition and abstract, this activity we can do that. If you want to use for natural language processing, comprehend and translate, these AI services can be AWS services we can use for this translate and comprehensive. And for the speech AI, we can use to poly services and transcribe services. All these services, Amazon recognize and text track and comprehends, these are the services. If suppose you want to use natural processing, so we can use to these services, translate, and computer vision, you can recognition and transcribe. These services we can use for the computer vision. For a speech aspect, you can use to poly services and transcribe. Because of all these services we have initially, we have explained about this. So that things categorization, what we want to use. Conversational AI, you can use to Lex services and Bedrock. These services we can use for conversational AI aspect. Suppose you want to use for machine learning, so you can use to SagMaker. So we had already explained about the SagMaker a bit workflow. Next part is having the common interview question. What kind of question will ask? What is Amazon SagMaker? This is fully managed services for building, training, tuning, and deploying machine learning model. If you this is have the machine learning model, so if you want to deploy in Amazon SagMaker, so it will build, train, and tune by using these services. What is Amazon Bedrock? This is fully managed services, provide access to fundamental model from the AWS and leading AI companies through the unified API. If you have unified API, enabling developer to build generative AI application without managing the infrastructure. So if developer use to these services, no need to any other infrastructure, they can use to Amazon Bedrock services and start the developing AI based application. What is difference between SagMaker and Bedrock? SagMaker, it will do the train the custom ML model. Bedrock use pre-trained fundamental model. This is difference. And traditional machine learning, it is a generative AI. Fully ML life cycle means you want to develop on AI ML model, so then you can use to SagMaker services. It is used for data science, but Bedrock used for LLM interface and customization. If you want to do the customization related to ML, so we can do that. And this Bedrock used for application developer, and SagMaker used for AI ML model training aspect we can use. What is RAG? So RAG basically it is a retrieval argument generation combined a LLM with external knowledge source. Step: user asks to question, retrieval receive the relevant document from the knowledge base. So knowledge base I already explained. You have some PDF, Word file, all these documents. So this is have knowledge based document. You want to retrieve some summarization or you want to generate the report. So that kind of activity you can do and send the document with prompt to the LLM and generate the text aware answer. So you can generate the answer through the prompt you have sent the document. So if you want to consolidate data from the document, so you can achieve through the RAG base. Which AWS services are commonly used in AI application? So most probably AI application we use to Amazon S3 and Amazon Bedrock and Amazon SagMaker. These are the three services, as well as AWS Lambda and Amazon API Gateway and Amazon Open Search Service and Vector Search. This is a vector database. and Amazon Cloud Watch IAM. So all these services we can utilize for the AWS application any developer want to develop. So you keep in mind if you are going with the AWS, so how to work. So first you understand about the basic things about the services, what services you use for which scenario. So that things we have explained here regarding to the AIML. So if you know these all services related to Amazon Sega, SagMaker, Amazon Bedrock, Amazon Recognition, Amazon Comprehend, and Amazon Extract. Amazon Comprehends basically it is used for NLP, semantic analysis, entity extractions, and face detection. Amazon recognition. This is image and video analysis. If you have uploaded the image or video, you want to analyze something, so you can analyze by using to Amazon recognition services. Amazon Poly, it is used for text to speech, or Amazon Translate, language translator. So all these things we can utilize. So these are the services. All these services basically used whenever you want to make the application. So here have machine learning workflow, how to make the workflow in the AWS, how it will work. So data collection you send to S3 and you process data processing, AWS Glue or Saga Maker processing. So this way you can do that. So I hope you clear about this generative AI on AWS. So all these services we have explained the typical application, what kind of applications we can generate by using to all these services. So I have explained one by one. So Bedrock basically have maintained to this Cloud A, Lambda and everything they have maintained. So developer only need to use to apply to rack, and this is because of knowledge base what we have in my knowledge, so accordingly we can develop our application. I think hope you clear about this. So this is much from my side. If you have any question, please ask me through the comment. I will explain you. Thank you so much watching this